By the end of this video, you will know how to customize an invoice template in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main screen, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the area where account preferences and document layout options are managed. In the settings menu, look for the customization section, then select PDF templates. This is where Zoho Books stores the layouts used for documents such as invoices. When the PDF templates page opens, switch to the Invoices tab so you are working with invoice layouts specifically. From here, choose the invoice template you want to customize. If you prefer to start from a different design, click New Template instead. Zoho Books will show the available template styles. Select the one you want to use, then click Use this to open it in the editor. The template editor includes a live preview on the right and customization controls on the left. This layout helps you make changes while seeing how the invoice will look as you work. Begin with the General section. Here you can update the template name and adjust document settings such as paper size, orientation, margins, fonts, and the background. These choices affect the overall structure and appearance of the invoice. Next, move through the remaining sections on the left side, open header and footer to change the top and bottom areas of the invoice. Then review transaction details where the main invoice information is arranged. After that, go into the table section to adjust how line items are displayed. Continue to total for the summary area, and then other details for any remaining invoice elements available in the template. As you work through these sections, make each change based on how you want the invoice to appear when it is sent or downloaded. If you want to update the overall color styling, use the Color Theme drop-down menu at the top of the editor. After choosing a color theme, click Refresh Preview so the preview panel updates with your latest changes. Take a moment to review the live preview on the right side of the screen. Check the spacing, text placement, and the general layout of the invoice. If something does not look right, return to the section on the left that controls that part of the template and adjust it before saving. This preview is useful for confirming that the final document matches the format you want. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. Zoho Books will apply your customized invoice template so it can be used for invoices going forward. Your customized invoice template is now saved in Zoho Books.